Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today is the day. It feels like forever because I finally have my hands on the Dyson Airstrait. It's finally launched in Australia and I can't wait to unbox this and show you what's inside. One of the advanced features is the advanced airflow technology. It uses high velocity air to dry and straighten your hair in one go. What makes this tool so special is because it is a hair dryer and a straightener at the same time, so it can dry and straighten your hair without much damage, and that will save so much time. So because now I have like second day hair, so it said that it still works on dry hair as well, so let's give it a try and see how it works on second day hair, just to freshen it up. Each time you use the machine, you must press the orange test button to make sure the machine is working properly. Okay, I first thought my Dyson was broken. It's not working, but apparently, you know the switch, you do the test. After you do the test, you need to push back that reset button back in. Otherwise, your Dyson will not start. So I thought my machine was broken, so yeah. Okay, let's give it a quick try on dry hair by first sectioning the hair. I feel my hair is a lot smoother and straighter, but because this is on dry hair and the hair wasn't too wavy, so I will test it again on wet hair next. So what is my thought on this? As I hold it, although it feels light, but as you continuously to press down and drag, it feels a bit like your hand will feel a bit strained in this, because you'll be holding it like this. It feels a little bit straining for the hand, and from wet to dry and straight, it takes me roughly about 15 minutes to dry my hair. But it does get rid of all my frizzes, because my hair does get really frizzy. So it does get rid of the frizz, and overall it's quite easy to use. But just bear in mind that as you continuously to do this movement, the pressing down of this, like just pressing it down, it does get a bit tiring. Like I find it a bit tiring, and maybe next time I should dry my roots a bit more before I start straightening it, because I find that my roots are not 100% dry, and I do need to get right into it. So it might be easier to like dry the roots maybe about 80% dry before you start straightening it. But overall, this Dyson Airstrait, it's great because it's really like no-brainer. You can't really go wrong, and your hair do get very soft, very straight, and there's no frizz on the hair. Like it's definitely a lot smoother than using a regular iron, because it does not have that dull feeling, because you can feel your hair is a lot smoother and straight as well. So I definitely recommend this new tool, and I will continue to test this out. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video.